Hello, today I'm going to be disassembling the InstantPot dual gourmet version 6 quad. The reason why I wanted to disassemble it because at one point there are some food items that were liquid or soup got leaked in there and it's attracting ants. So I went online, YouTube, I think Be Self-Sufficient guy, he explained how to disassemble it, but I found that his version of the Instant Pot is slightly different from mine. So the point here is to actually take out this heating plate, heating element, take it out, and at the bottom of this tub, then I can clean it. I've tried cleaning the bottom part by just removing that lid, but that wasn't sufficient enough. There's still something stick inside the inner part of that pot, or the bottom tray area. So in order to really clean it, I need to take out that heating plate and clean out the bottom of that bucket area. Now in order to take out that heating element plate, the heating plate let's call it, all three white parts belongs to that heating plate. So this is one. I think this is the returning negative of the power, and then this is the input power, and I mean this is input to the heating element, input or the output out negative to the heating element, and then this is the input from where's the socket area over here. So there's a red line that goes in here. So this is the positive to the logic board, and then this is the thermostat that tells where it cools down, where it stops, so you can start to reheat and turn on, and this would be on. So there's two of these, so yeah, I don't know. Now, to get it to unscrew, so it looks like there's 1, 2, and 3 screws, and the third screw is going to be behind this circuit board. So I need to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, which is the screw between that thermostat, and one more screw that holds that plate, heating plate. And I don't know how to get to it. I think I have to unscrew this one and this one, because the circuit is supported by 2 brackets. So let me get my light here. Oh, no battery. No. Yeah. Okay. And so there's a silver bracket, and then a plastic tray that holds the board. So I think these 2 screws will unsecure the things, but that also means that I have to unplug all these possible cable. So let's get to it. And hopefully I can remember which screw goes to where. So first off, the easiest one, these negative. And so it has a screw and a washer on top, and then a bottom washer at the bottom. So not to lose that. Ooh. Oh, that's not a bottom washer. So two of these. Okay. This goes in, and then this goes over there. So everything is on top of this thing. Okay. So that's just one. Put that down, and then positive. Oh, this thing turns. No, I don't like that. Why? Why does it turn? I need a higher torque Phillips. Gonna have to pause. Okay. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I'll have to hold on to it. Yeah, this camera angle doesn't work. I need to raise my camera a little bit so you can get a top-down view. Let it pause. Okay, top-down view looks better. So now I got these aside here, and then the thermostat one. Yeah, that's good. Yep, this one requires a lot more torque. I hope it's this one. See how my thermostat is wobbly. I hope that's out. And I bet this would be pretty tough. Trying to clean this thing here as fluid, all the soup, the stew might have leaked through. Yep. So then no ants would ever smell this. Oh. What's that? And then the concave is outside. Leave that there. Now the next one. Not enough room. Not really long enough. So it's this guy here. Look at how dirty that is. They should make that part waterproof or something. Put some silicone seal or something so it won't leak through the screw holes. Well, just gonna be the left side 2 more. This can probably go fast forward, but so these 3 secured the feet. These 3, 1, 2, and 3. It secures this whole black plate area of the bottom of the pot. So this now becomes a slightly more work than the different model. Because now all the cables are interconnected and I have to take them all off. And especially this guy is not coming out easily. Fine, I'll just catch it with my hands. And there is no washer, so that makes it easier. Oh, so this is a special one that won't come out. That's fine. This socket here can be slid out. So I can get the ring off. Yes, see this? Clean the edge of the pot where it connects to that plastic. So now can I access that screw without, nope, oh, this is another slide in, snapped on mechanism. So this tray for the circuit board is a snapped on. So I don't need to disconnect everything. So now I just move it aside, the thermostat, and you can see the screw here. So I'm gonna kind of wipe this down a little bit. Definitely all the sauce of food is dripping through this hole and probably protected by this, this plastic tray. And so I need to clean the bottom of that, but why is it black? But at least these two holds on to it. So do some manual cleaning on this thing, the washer, Man, it's dirty. It's getting pretty difficult to clean. Can't tell if that is sauce or rust. It's not coming off. Clean that a little bit. Ew. So now, because that is flipped, and this cable is connected, and because it dropped, the plate is down. Now, the plate is hanging by these two things here. So off this goes. The white plug. Ooh, it's different. It's a better plug. Okay. Well, the same maybe. And then the ground cable, the ground connect, needs to come off too. Makes sense that this is tight. So this is the thermostat screw, and then the 3 secure screws, the two are for these, and then this one is for the ground. So group that with the 2 power source. Put it here. So just to go through the screws, 1, 2, 3 for securing the plate, the thermal plate, and then 1, 2 here is part of that ring, and one of them is inside here. It's a total of 3. These 2 are for the contacts on the thermal, the white tabs, and then this one is the ground on the yellow. And this is the thermostat screw, so total, all the screws are here. And this is, oh, I can even take the whole thing. Oh, this whole thing can come off. But I'm going to keep that in here. As soon as that is off, I snap this back so the tray won't dangle around. The tray for the circuit board and the thermostat is here, so that can go through. And then this holds the plate, so I have to hold onto the plate and then push it through like so. So the plate comes off. Whoa. Flip this around. And voila. And look at the plate. So I need to clean up these three areas, and then some of the gunky, dried up, whatever that is, and that would be it. Fairly simple, right? Yeah, the dirt. The dirt. I don't know how that would attract that many ants. It's not that dirty, but it looks rusted now. Yeah, these are rusted. So these three legs are secured onto the metal pot bottom, and there is like a gasket here that is rusted because water got into it. So two of these are the grounds, 1, 2, and 3 for the support to the plate. And then okay, and then here these two poles help line up the springing center thing. So these two groove here to line up correctly later. So let me clean that and pause it here.